Okay, part 4 on the RX8 build. Yesterday I pulled out the inner fender and the front panel, and that was it. It took about 3 hours to do that. It fought me a lot, so I was kind of done after that. So today what we're going to do is clean up all the metal, bodywork it, get everything prepped, and get it ready for the new panels. I'm also going to scuff the new panels down while they're bare. And what I mean is basically get them ready for primer, sealer, and paint. It's easier to do that, before you start welding all the bits onto them. And then we got to cut out the radiator brackets from the old front panel and weld those on to the new panel, along with the studs for the oil coolers and the bracket for the hood latch, the bracket the hood latch screws in. So that's pretty much all I'm going to do today. I'm just going to do a bunch of metal cleaning, and then I'm going to weld the front panel pieces all together. And I may set that inner fender up there. You want to set it in and mark where you need to put all your holes, and then mark where you're going to weld everything. So I may do all that today. I don't know. If I have the welder out, I may just start welding it all together. We'll see. So yeah, here we go. Don't you hate that? I was doing a whole bunch of stuff there and had the camera all set up. I forgot to record it. Fucking stupid. God damn it. Alright, let me show you what I did. I just marked here where all these pieces are going to go. Radiator bracket, the bracket with the 2 studs in it. And I've sanded back this panel so that we have a nice clean surface to weld to. This is one of our new pieces, and I have this marked where we need our holes, and we're going to just punch some holes into it with this tool as the Astro something, I don't know. Oh, 605ST, so if the 5 means it's a 5mm hole. So it's real handy because you can just get your piece, set it in there. Now you've got a hole for spot welding. Perfect hole. It's a perfect hole. Here, I'll show you guys that again, hopefully. Let's see if I can set this up for you. So, whoa. So here you go. There's only one hole in this corner right here, and we'll come up. I got to kind of line this up, so bear with me. Okay, you ready? Just goes in and punches a perfect little hole in it. And we need one more for here because it had 3 spot welds on from factory. So we're going to do exactly what the factory did. So there you go. So you don't have to drill it, just get yourself one of these and you're good to go. I'll show you what that looks like, you know, when you put it on the panel, I guess. So we just dropped this panel on. So here's our 3 holes that we just punched, here, here, and here. And yeah, they're perfect. We've got them lined up with our shiny spots. I am going to put weld through primer on that whole panel, or not the whole panel, on the all the bits where we're going to be welding. I'm also, before I weld anything to it, I'm going to scuff it all down and get it ready for paint. I did pick up a primer sealer this morning, so it's going to get a full coat of that, really just on the inside. And then I also picked up my blue paint this morning. That's right, buddy. PPG, nice paint. PPG paint's expensive, but it should be good. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going for a little bit longer today. I'm debating whether or not to get the welder out. I might just do everything except the welding. I don't know. It's getting late. The kids are in the pool. I kind of want to go jump in the pool. So we'll see. We'll see what we get done today.